dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello viewers, welcome back to today's news, the headlines. The Labour Party has asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to seek help in addressing the high cost of living in the country before the situation becomes unimaginable. Moving on, after this we have APC tells Atiku and Peter Obi to offer President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's ideas to run the economy. But before we carry on with this news, welcome to Reality Latest, this is your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation live in our comment section. The Labour Party has asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to seek help in addressing the high cost of living in the country before the situation becomes unimaginable. That the federal government needs to take action to reduce the hardship being faced by Nigerians. The Labour Party National Publicity Secretary Obiora Ifo made this statement on Monday. You guys can recall that the protests that broke out in Niger and Kano states this week with residents blocking roads over food inflation and economic hardship. So Labour Party are saying that they are deeply concerned about the increased cost of living in Nigeria and how millions of Nigeria are battling with the crisis of food shortage since the turn of the year. That is either that the government is bereft of ideas on how to check the unfolding catastrophe, or that they choose to continue to act as if it's their time of campaigning for office. But there is no time for politicking. It is now time for governance. That is the truth. Presidential candidate in the 2023 general elections, Peter Obi, said that it is time again, that until they get the leadership question right, unless we will continue to grapple in the dark. He always said that they need to move away from consumption-dependent economy to a productive one in order to shore up our foreign exchange reserves and ultimately strengthen the naira for the economic boom we desired. So President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his team should just admit that they have run out of ideas, that they should ask for help, because it is now apparent that no amount of propaganda can change the fact that more and more Nigerians are falling below the poverty line. Local and foreign companies are folding up and government appears at loss as to what next to do other than ask all of us to pray. The federal government needs to take action to reduce the hardship being faced by the poor Nigerians. That is the truth, and they should seek help because things are becoming unbearable for average Nigerians. This must be done immediately to stem the rising tide of discontentment. Let the truth be told, there is hunger in the land. It is quite, heartbreaking that we all appear to be almost back in the old politics that characterized military dictatorship. Instead of them calling meetings of organs of the party to initiate strategies of mobilizing all governments controlled by the APC to coordinate response to democratic demands of citizens, all they do is to criminalize the protests. As it is now, the Renew Hope agenda of the party has been floated. Like the Naira exchange rate, Renew Hope is being exchanged by Renew Anger. The value is becoming more and more provocative to citizens. That is the truth. So let federal government and APC do the right thing to put this country in place, because it's not funny any longer. People can't take it. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The ruling All Progressive Congress has thwarted criticism of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu by candidate of the People Democratic Party Atiku Abubakar and the Labour Party Peter Obi, asking the duo to share suggestions with the president on how to effectively run the economy and governance. The APC National Publicity Secretary Felix Moka, in an interview with the Channel TV, he urged the two presidential candidates of the opposition political party to suggest ideas to Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and not just condemn what the government is doing to address economic hardship in the country. Mr. Moka said that the duo were making incendiary statement to instigate the public that the opposition politics is not necessarily about condemning, but Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar touted out some of the economic policies this government is running with to be at the core of the economic agenda. So what has happened? Because it is not enough for Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar to just condemn. So they should help. That assuming that they have the silver bullets this government is not deploying, they should point it out. Mr. Moka also dismissed Mr. Atiku Abubakar's recent criticism of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's led APC government as completely jaundiced by his own political self-interest. That it is not enough for Atiku Abubakar to brand words. So he expects a man who thinks deeply, as he claimed Atiku words about government, economy and other aspects of our natural life to offer ideas, concrete suggestions. My people, do you know that when you steal something that is not rightfully yours, in this aspect, APC is not comfortable. They are restless. That's why Nigerians are always attacking them. They say that they love the way they keep embarrassing themselves online, and if they want to ask for help and suggestion, they should humbly do so. But if he can only admit that he cannot do the work, even Hamatan dey vex for Naija. Everywhere is hot. Honestly, there's no peace, there's no rest, there's no food. When Mr. President was declining interviews and debates on how to fix Nigeria, hey, they thought it was a child's play. Why some are saying that when he was busy hijacking Peter Obi's and Atiku's mandate, he did not ask for ideas. Now, why is he asking for ideas? I thought he said he can do it. That if he cannot do it, he should step down. Because after rigging, his way in to power, and he is now asking the real winner to offer advice. That's it get as it be. Leadership is not about, profiling ideas. It's about ideas and running with it. The President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's team, especially the economic team, do not have to follow through to give needed results. At this point, all appeals for patience may be simply waste of time given the challenge of survival, already complicated by a worsened security situation in the country so much that Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, has also become unsecure. So it is now in their enlightened interest, both as a party and as a Nigeria, to put pressure on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do the needful by putting in place immediately a clear, defined economic policy to resolve the situation. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when there's will drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe, guys. Bye.